Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Matt with Stormy Fan 96 bringing another siren video. I've had this siren for quite some time and I'm just now getting around to making a video of it. This is my Federal Signal Model 2T siren. So I'm going to be going over it real quick and then of course giving you all a demonstration of it. First off, let's take a look at the siren itself here. You can see it is dual tone, 4.5 port. It's actually in really good condition. The person I bought it from had restored it fairly well. The only thing is this dent right here. This was caused during the shipping process because the shipping company who handled this did not do exactly the best of jobs. I still have to get some screws to screw the intake cone on to the actual siren itself, but for the most part it stays put, so that's nice. You can see the type is 2TT. It's single phase, 220. That's its serial number. The original housing that came with it was was designed for a long leg, so I went ahead and I got this one. I had a buddy who had one that he wanted to sell, so we just bought this. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is in great condition. I love the fact that it's dual tone. If you know anything about me, I'm very much into dual tone sirens, so I'm glad I finally can have one. That's basically an overview of it right there. I'll do the same with my Model 2. I know I've posted a video of it running, but I'll post an actual overview video of it when I get around to it. But anyways, let's go ahead and do a test with this siren here. We're gonna do a few cycles of attack and call it good. Let you all hear what this siren sounds like. So yeah, that's the Federal Signal Model 2T running a few cycles of attack off my AR timer. And also a growl beforehand. So hope you all enjoy this video. Future videos of this siren and others to come. Thanks for watching.